Yes, I was diagnosed with breast cancer, and I've suffered with high blood pressure, and my daughter introduced me to Kangen Water, and I started drinking it, and as a result of it, my blood pressure's gone down. I was diagnosed with the breast cancer, but when they did the surgery, they found out there was no cancer at all, so I'm cancer-free, and I give it all to Kangen Water.
I had really bad allergies. I had, every day I took Sudafed, nasal neck spray, and at night I took Benadryl.
Wow.
I have been doing this every day.
Now what are you taking of those things?
Nothing. By the time I finished the water, which was a 5-gallon thing of water, I noticed I just didn't have any allergy symptoms. It tastes a lot better. You can't go back after you taste this water. When I came in here, I suspected that I had acid reflux. I had a sore throat very deep in my throat. I had woken up one night and I felt like the acid coming up my throat. I decided to try the water, and within a couple of days I was feeling better. So I feel like the water had definitely something to do with it.
Awesome. Mary has been drinking the Kangen Water for about how long?
3 weeks.
The doctor had given me blood pressure pills, and I said, I'm just going to try the water. I said, I don't think it's going to have anything to do with it. But I've been drinking the water, and I swear that my blood pressure is completely normal.
I love that. That makes me so happy that you didn't have to take blood pressure medication for that.
The doctor thought I took them, but she said, see, you took the blood pressure pills, and you're normal. And I said to myself, no, I really didn't.
And you never ever took them?
Never took them.
Oh, thank God, right? Awesome.
I really feel good. I have more pep. And actually, too, I can sleep a lot better.
Telling everybody about Kangen Water?
Yes. My hair was falling out. I mean, I was getting like clumps of it after I took a shower, and it would just pull right out. My hair is getting thicker, and it's just amazing, and it's getting shinier. My skin is really,
It's just glowing now. You have more of a glow.
It really, this water is amazing.
Drinking the water, I've noticed that my joints, the knees are not swollen. I wake up in the morning, I don't have a stitch, nothing of aching of the body, nothing.
Beautiful.
This makes me very happy.
Since I've been drinking the Kangen Water, it has knocked down a lot of the sugar level of my diabetes, which was like something like 580, which is like a coma side,
Right.
And it broke it down from 580 to 240. Which is a lot better.
That's excellent. And how do you test those numbers? Where do you go for that?
I have a little tester for, blood testing, you prick it.
Okay, you do that, right?
At home, I do it every day.
Okay. And so you've actually noticed a huge drop before.
Oh, yeah.
Because you didn't really change your diet or anything that I'm aware of.
No, that's the funny thing. I haven't changed. Matter of fact, I've been eating a little bit more than I'm supposed to.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Gershon Bussum, and I started drinking Kangen Water for the past 3 weeks, and I can testify that it's been amazing. I used to have different conditions, hemorrhoids, and also had my sugar levels were high, and started taking the water, and I noticed that it had gone down, and it steadily is going down. I've gotten off my medications now, and I've just been taking like a gallon of the water a day. And I also realized that I started losing inches. As of now, I've lost about 4 inches around my waist. And as you can tell, my wristwatch has been very loose now. And this was very tight then, and you could see that my wedding band is also loose, which is an improvement from where I used to be. And I'm going to continue drinking the water because I see the need for it. It's been I think it's going to be part of my lifestyle now.
I just wanted to let everybody know that we've been drinking Kangen Water for about 8 months, and we feel very healthy, energetic, we sleep better and eat better and crave less sugar. I've used different types of water to treat different things that went wrong. For instance, once I had a sore throat on the verge of a strep throat, and I gargled it with a 2.5 5 times a day, and it went away within 24 hours completely. And also one day I had a bloody urine, which was diagnosis for urinary tract infection, and I drank about a gallon of water a day and completely went away. And anybody that has it, how painful that can be. The pain went away after first 2 tall glasses.
Awesome.
Little guy, we rescued him from Tennessee in November, and all he was skin and bones and dandruff. And if you look at him now, he's nice and full and completely healthy, no dandruff, shiny coat, nice white teeth. He also had a wart on his paw right here that I sprayed with that 2.5 water and completely disappeared. It was a wart slash like a sore, multi-layered, extremely large. And as you can see, zoom in, Linda, it's completely healed within 3 weeks.
When I drink the water, I don't even crave soda or Snapple anymore.
And
I feel great. I feel
what are some of the symptoms that you had from drinking the soda, and how are they now?
Bad constipation. Now it's regular. It's great.
You feel better? Bad
pain down my leg that I used to get, and I haven't had that. Only once actually, but that's when I stopped drinking Kangen water for about 3 or 4 days, and I noticed it just everything was coming back.
My head from forehead to back was exploding. I thought my head was going to explode. My worry was, I'm going to have a stroke. My back was pressure and painful. Went through the front and the chills with temperature inside my body. Those were my symptoms. Found out that it was my gallbladder, not my kidneys. If I would have gone to the hospital, I would probably have gone under surgery and had it removed. Don't let this happen to you. Find out what you can do before you go to the doctors. They're not there to help you. They're just experimenting and making money.
Water is marvelous. It's a detoxification. Okay, I felt so great with this water. Making coffee with it, tea.
Awesome.
And the taste, crisp, clean, clear.
Hello. I'd like to tell you about some experiences I've had. My blood pressure at the time was way above the safety zone. I felt fatigue most of the time. I had inflammation, swollen ankles and feet. I asked my doctor, why on earth am I going through this? And he said, every patient of mine your age has that same problem. So he gave me some pills for my blood pressure and said these should help. I went home and it did not help. I spoke with my friends, like the dietitian I knew, Peter Stoddard and Reg Lewis also. They were familiar with these problems. They introduced me then to an ionized water that would detox my body and change it from acid to alkaline. I drank this ionized water 6 to 8 glasses a day, and I tried it for maybe 3 weeks. I couldn't believe, I was amazed at the change. It was so pure and so delicious. It was like drinking a wonderful drink that you would make with a moisturizer. It was so sweet and delicious, but it was pure water. After a few days, I felt rejuvenated. My skin was smooth and moist and released of any toxins. I really highly recommend this water. The name is Kangen Water. Now, once you've tried it, you'll never go back to bottled water again. It is superb.